DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. Today we're there with Mr. Low night time in the Benz beam light right for living that night life. You don't know we are talking about. Yeah, man, we're there with none other than Rymey Gad. Yeah, man, the one named Immortal. Rymey Gad is slowly becoming a regular artist on the channel, because you guys have been requesting him regularly, you know what I'm saying, and he's growing, showing great potential and showing that, you know, if he stay consistent, he can definitely find his place in the dancehall industry. You see me what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we there Rymey Gad, dog show promises, the one named Immortal. Immortal, me don't know him I go with the direction Immortal. Him I try to say, yo, we don't know what you go to and say that I deal. You don't know if that got to deal with goods or water, you know? We'll check it out, so that I deal with Rymey Gad, Immortal, let's get it.
If I die,
Yo, why Rymey Gad look like you to near Michael 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐿 Eh? Girl just have faith. Tell me, say I lie, me I tell.
Yo, bro, fast. Yo, I'm not dead for now, too, you know. Jaja. If I die young, by knife or die by gun, might fight or I might run. Bra fast, tell mommy if you no worry. Granny if you nice and everything I fi curry, yeah, she want.
Whoa. Easy, no? Man say if I die young, by knife or by gun, tell mommy no fit. Mommy no worry, everything curry. But alright, well on there. This is taking a slightly different approach, and I thought we gotta pull this up. It's taking a slightly different approach than I thought it would. But come on, Rymey Gad. Before I wake, I pray Lord my soul to yo, come here.
Yo, I'm not dead for now, too, you know. Jaja. If
I am not dead. Life over dead to say no. Come in, man.
By knife or die by gun, might fight or I might run. Bra fast, tell mommy if you no worry. Granny if you nice and everything I fi curry, yeah, she want happy life, so me do it in a hurry. Dog man I fi do it in a hurry.
That's facts. Come in.
That's why you have to open up your eyes. Try to realize. Time to make this step, cause them now with enough of them. Just come around fi take your prize. For the thing that you design. The one way you trash, she go give my teeth. You come and see them a fraud.
Wow, Rymey.
I always come around when you have it, you know have it, them gone. Loyalty is what loyalty, and if you drive run in a car. Put vanity, cause that no gonna when me get up off a four and stuff, he walk and he go sun up here. Me choppy, let me get run up, me can have something when no tell me but no red, because me that and I go on white. Boy, I have to ball hard for me data, and me want to taxi and I never charter.
Ooh, hey, Rymey, I'm liking this style. Nigga going wild on crazy on this beat. Hey.
Come around when you have it, you know have it, them gone. Loyalty is what loyalty, and if you drive run in a car. Put vanity.
Loyalty is what loyalty is, and if you drive run in a car. A fox. Man, come in.
Have it, them gone. Loyalty is what loyalty, and if you drive run in a car. Put vanity, cause that no gonna when me get up off a four and stuff, he walk and he go sun up here. Me choppy, let me get run up, me can have something when no tell me but no red, because me that and I go on white.
What? Hey, come in.
Boy, I have to ball hard for me data, and me want to taxi and I never charter. And you can't to tax me, I do me no farmer. I'm a walk with corn, and me ready for plant that.
White boy, I have to ball for me data. I want to taxi and I never charter. You can't to tax me cause me a no farmer, but me got couple camp. Hey! God! Come in, dad.
A bunny line, man a dial with the signs. Book a big goon and turn me in a giant. A bitch too dark, so me got the aisle. Me just sew my fakes and make it tires. Me just cool off me head, then me do the chanting. And when me do the talking, it a for wire. Rough as it a for wire. Dog, that's why you have to up in a pair.
When me do the talking, and me do the talking for wire. I want you, man.
Try to realize, time to make this step, cause them know it enough for them just come around. We take your prize, for the thing that you design. The one we a try Chico give my teeth, so come and see them a fraud.
Hola.
You have to up in a pair eyes. Try to realize, time to make this step, cause them know it enough for them just come around. We take your prize, for the thing that you design. The one we a try Chico give my teeth, so come and see them a fraud. Always come around when you have it, you know have it, them gone. Loyalty is what loyalty, and nothing jab run in a car.
Who believer? Who richer than Sam?
And nothing jab run in a car. And if I die young, by knife or die by gun,
Bomba, yeah man.
might fight or I might run, dog. But if me run,
Rymey Gad, dog, have a style and a mids day, you know, dog. Nah, lie. After the first time we reacted to Rymey Gad, I didn't know he was gonna take this path or this turn where he's going down right now. And I'm happy and I'm here for this journey, man. I have some lyrics there and some style that's different. You see me? Rymey Gad. Yeah man, me like that. Me like that a lot. You see me? I say keep doing your thing, G. You see me? Yeah man, keep doing your thing, G. Definitely you definitely can solidify and find your place in dancehall, bro. So keep doing your thing, G. You got far to go. You're crazy talented. You see me? You got lyrics and style and creativity is there. So it's all about what you do with it from this point, my G. Because you make drastic improvements since the first song I reacted to from you. You see me? I say you make drastic improvement. Creative is flowing. You feel like you're getting more comfortable being an artist and being able to step outside of certain boxes. You see me? Cause the rhyme scheme on this song ain't normal. You feel me? You have to be confident to be able to step on something. I try the thing. You see me? So yeah man, Rymey Gad, big up yourself, dog. I'm definitely there and interested to see where you go with this. You see me? Where you take your career, and you know what I'm saying, how far you reach, man. You see me? I say, see if you cross over or not, if you stay local or not, if you get. You see me? I say. Yeah, I'm interested to really take your career, bro. Sky's the limit. Doesn't mean anything you want you can achieve. Doesn't mean I say. But yeah, man, girl, I don't think about the one in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know say yo the dance, and you know, bang us on the top, you know that I'm telling you so. You know, I lie when I play around. Also, gang, let me know what your favorite part was. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Drop in the comment section. Let's get a dialogue going, gang. Let's get a conversation going, man. And as I said, road to 10K, 300 away from 7K, as well as 3K away from 10K. You already know what time it is. Trying to hit that before Christmas and New Year's, man. That would be great. That would make the best birthday gift if you can get it before January. You see me, what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. Oh, there, man. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.